I will start talking about the problem of rubbish. The problem with trash is that it pollutes the environment. I think we should be more aware, recycling, separating our garbage, and reusing things.
One of the most important problems in the world is garbage generation. A few years ago, all this rubbish was taken to incineration plants or landfills, but it has a lot of consequences. For example, that it's risky for the environment and for the health of living beings, and that it doesn't reduce resource consumption. When waste is disposed of, it's highly polluting because this damages the water of rivers and oceans, the soil, the air, and the flora and fauna. We can change all the situation using the three R's. Reduce, for example, reducing the use of plastic bags, using appliances efficiently, or taking advantage of public services offered by the government. Reuse, repairing electrical appliances instead of buying new, or using our creativity to take advantage of used products. And recycle, we must correctly separate the waste and dispose of them in the appropriate container. Now we're going to talk about the recyclable materials journey. All the waste that we separate is collected by urban waste collectors, and they take them to green centers, where they organize and classify all the recyclable materials. When these materials are ready, they sell them to industries that are responsible for recycling.
Garbage is not only a municipal problem in Argentina, but it is a country problem. In Argentina, there are 5,000 open air dumps. Every year in Argentina, some 13 million tons of garbage are generated and some 160,000 plastic bags are consumed per day. And the average garbage per person is 2 kilograms. I think that one way to end the problem is by using centralized policies.
Compost is decayed organic matter, for example, a twig or a banana peel. When you mix a bunch of these items together in a compost pile, they break down naturally into a nutrient-rich fertilizer that helps gardens grow. Composting is a great way to reduce your food waste and it contributes to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Compost helps sandy soil retain water and nutrients. It loosens tightly bound particles in clay or silt soil so roots can spread, water drain, and air penetrate. It alters soil structure, making it less likely to erode and prevents soil spalling on plants. Other benefits are that it's easier to work and cultivate, it retains fertilizers better, reduces the need for chemical pesticides, and reduces synthetic fertilizers. In my compost bin, I put some soil with vegetable scraps like banana, carrot, and potato. Also, I included some yerba and eggshells. The first week, my compost bin was like in this picture, but on the third week, I could see how some small leaves peeked out. Then, in the fourth week, I realized that the compost was ready to be used.
Worms are incredible decomposers. They are called manure worms or red worms. These are different from the common earthworms. Worm composting is a low maintenance way for recycling your organics. Worm composting can be done inside or outside.